CP Foods is a leading global food producer. Our food business covers animal feed, farming, and food production operations. One core business of CP Foods is the farming and production of shrimp. The first part of our shrimp business is the production of food for our farmed shrimp, what we call shrimp feed. Our shrimp feed is made from many ingredients. The first part of our supply chain are the shrimp feed factories that CP Foods owns, and we purchase the ingredients for the shrimp feed from a variety of suppliers. One of the ingredients for shrimp feed is fish meal. Fish meal makes up 10% of shrimp feed, with the rest consisting largely of vegetable proteins. Fish meal is made from two types of raw materials: byproduct fish and bycatch fish. CPF now uses only byproduct fish meal. The origin of byproduct fish meal can be traced back to fishing boats that catch fish for human consumption. This fish is sold to fish factories. If the fish is tuna, then the factory fillets the meat and makes canned tuna. The trimmings are then sold to fish meal factories to make fish meal. At the fish meal factory, these trimmings are dried and powdered to create fish meal. CP Foods shrimp feed, which uses byproduct fish meal from tuna or pangasius, is certified by the internationally recognized IFFO standard. The IFO standard is the global benchmark in the sustainable production and usage of fish meal. Vessels catching fish under the IFO standard must operate with either the Marine Stewardship Council (MSC) or the Western and Central Pacific Fisheries Commission (WCPFC) standard, which means these vessels must have independent observers on board. We only use CPF produced shrimp feed in our shrimp farms so that we can be sure of the supply chain of every ingredient and the quality of the feed. CP Foods only sells farmed shrimp. Our closed-system shrimp farms are environment-friendly and sustainable, with zero waste released into the environment. Once the shrimp is ready, it is taken from our farms to be processed at our state-of-the-art food preparation factories. These factories are certified with the leading international standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, BRC, IFS, and OSAS 18001. CP Foods is therefore proud to be setting a sustainable and socially responsible benchmark for the global shrimp industry, so you can have peace of mind when enjoying your meal. CPF was one of the key drivers in setting up the Shrimp Sustainable Supply Chain Task Force in 2014, an international multi-stakeholder group assisting in the improvement of sustainability for the wider seafood industry in Thailand. Issues with forced labor in the Thai fishing industry are believed to relate primarily to the bycatch supply chain. CPF does not currently use any bycatch fish meal in Thailand. In spite of this, CPF has remained committed to drive change within the Thai fisheries sector. Working with the task force, CPF has shared best practices, and we have implemented a comprehensive traceability system for the bycatch supply chain, far beyond the feed mills, hatcheries, and shrimp farms that comprise our shrimp business. This system is currently being audited by an independent international auditor, and full audits will be completed very soon. With satisfactory results in terms of both labor and environmental compliance, we will then qualify bycatch fish meal producers as approved CPF suppliers. Let us now take a look at the bycatch supply chain. Bycatch fish is sold directly to fish meal factories to make fish meal in the same way as byproduct, through the drying and grinding of the fish into a dry powder. Fish meal factories then sell fish meal to make shrimp feed. This all begins with the fishing boats. We have asked our potential suppliers to ensure that every boat in our supply chain has port in, port out procedures, which involves the checking of every worker who goes onto or gets off the boat, thus seeking to protect their welfare and confirm their ability to work legally. In addition, we were the first company in Thailand to utilize the EMCPD system, which is an electronic traceability system to record both the species and the volume of fish caught by every bycatch fishing vessel when they land at port. We are working hard with our potential bycatch fish meal suppliers to lock down the supply chain, all the way down to the fishing boats. We can now confidently say that we have greatly increased visibility and traceability for all of our potential bycatch fish meal suppliers' sources of fish. We hope our tremendous work in this area, in conjunction with the task force, will serve as the benchmark for the labor and environmental aspects of sustainable fishery practices in Thailand and around the world.